Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. How are you all doing? Well, I just wish all good at your side. As you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, and tokens that you can invest in and get a good return. So today, I'm going to share a project with you all from where you can buy your NFT, you can play to earn. So it's a great project. You must have to check this out. But before that, if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, so please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. All right. So this is our website for today. It's Game of Dragons. This is the NFT marketplace, plus you can play to earn. So here we have their official contract address. You can get this contract address to buy their tokens. You can buy their tokens from PancakeSwap. We have white paper. Let's review this first. So you can download this. You can check this online as well. So you will get more information about the project. All right, so these are the things that they have mentioned in their white paper. You can check this. What is Game of Dragons? So if we talk about this, so Game of Dragon is a blockchain game under Keju Games. It will have its own ecosystem by having both a trading card game and MMO competitive style gameplay. Game of Dragons will become the first of its kind by using in a new way to enjoy what the blockchain offers. Game of Dragons characters and designs are non-AI generated, making it practically handmade. The sense of attention to detail and love given by the NFT artist and the game designers are second to none. So this is the introduction. You can check it out. Then Game of Dragons legal disclaimer they have mentioned. You can read this. And then Game of Dragons. What are NFTs? If you don't know about NFT, so NFT or non-fungible tokens are assets, either digital or physical, converted into cryptocurrency. These digital assets come in different forms. They could be artwork, in-game items, music, video, graphics, etc. Each having a unique contract address, just like any other form of cryptocurrency out there. They are both AI-generated and manually or personally generated NFTs. They also were in blockchain network. The reason behind such assurance is the ability of an individual person to maintain NFT inside multiple networks, such as the BNB network, the ERC network, or the SOL network, or even the ADA network. These are multiple marketplace that to cater such a nice market. So these are the introduction about NFT. If you don't know about NFT, so you can go through it to know more about the NFT and more about their project, that what NFT they are offering. And their NFTs are on Binance blockchain. Then Game of Dragons about what is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digitalized form of virtual currency. It's nearly impossible to convert or duplicate. You also can't respend it because of its unique cryptography. So you can check out this to know more about cryptocurrency. They have given all detailed information regarding their project and regarding NFTs and cryptocurrencies. So you don't have to worry about anything if you don't know. Then let's talk about Game of Dragons NFT. So Game of Dragons NFT is handcrafted piece of digital artwork in the form of a trading card. These trading cards will be used throughout the Game of Dragons ecosystem. We offer 15 trading cards designs which vary in variety. There are basic cards which are considered as the most common cards in the set. There are special cards which are considered as rare cards in the sets. And then there are secret cards which are not publicly sold. And there are ultra cards which are the rarest cards in the set. So they have mentioned their NFT details. You can get this from their website white paper. Then if we talk about the token, Game of Dragons token. So Game of Dragons token is initially built on the Binance Smart Chain network. It is a total supply of tokens from which 50% which is burned into a burner wallet, which can't be touched even by the developer. Our token does not have any transaction tax because we want our investors to get the most out of their purchase. GOD is a token abbreviation. We have a decimal of 18 and our contract address is what they have mentioned. This token was made for users to buy booster packs. In the near future, it will also be used to help fund the project. A token target price will be at least $1 for this to happen. It must have a market capitalization of 5 million. So this can easily go to $1. So you must have to buy it now. Start holding this so you will get a good return in coming days. Then you can read about their game. So phase one, Game of Dragons will launch its trading card game, heavily inspired by Hearthstone's and D&D gameplay. A strategy-heavy game that will test one technical analysis and management skills. There will be a timer to prevent AFK players from taking advantage. Then phase two, they will be launching Game of Dragons will launch its MMO-based game that will be open as a WoW or FF14. Then in phase three, Game Easter eggs, expansions, and competitive gaming. Game of Dragons will enter the competitive gaming scene. There will be battles, battling, and side battling. So these are the details about the gaming section. Then they have mentioned the details of MMO game, TCG game. So they have mentioned everything. Then we have their roadmap. You can check it out. So phase one was token creation, website creation, NFT card minting, patch one, pancake swap listing, influencer marketing, campaigns, white paper, etc. That has already done. Then in phase two, token logo, coin gecko listing, NFT card minting, and GOD NFT marketplace. In phase three, website development, CEX listing, docs, theme card game launching, CMC listing, etc. And in phase four, they will be doing Game of Dragons development, blockchain development, token development. These are the challenges of games of Dragon. Problem one, NFT games are boring in general. It seems that most NFT games out in the market today are extremely simple, a little bit too simple. So these made that made you bored. So the what solution they have got is Game of Dragons is made with the intent to create an NFT game with its strategy and technicality in mind. We intend to expand our NFT TCG world into an NFT MMO just like what Pokemon have successfully achieved. Now, Pokemon has an ecosystem of products from games to collectibles. Then the problem two that they have tried to solve is there has been an NFT game boom in today's market. It could become satellite really quickly. So the solution is Game of Dragons will become a hub for both investors, collectors, and gamers. Then the solution problem three is NFT market typically single assets opposed to multi assets items. And the solution to this is Game of Dragons will have its own use, so multiple assets will not affect the price as much as other NFTs. Okay, so let's come to their marketing strategy. Game of Dragons. Strategy one is community building. They will be working hard to build a strong community. Then advertisements. They will doing more and more advertisements, SEM and SEO, listings, then sales funnels, creative marketing. This is a marketing analysis. You can check it out. Then competitors. XC Infinity and MIF4 are considered our main competitors. So now Game of Dragons, market analysis. You can check all these things like they have mentioned. They have given all the information regarding their project, their mission details, etc. And their correction details, their vision, all things you can find in their white paper. So you will have a better vision about their project, what they have offering, what they will be doing to get to attach more. And this is the Game of Dragons token details like level 1 is token, then financial partner, Game of Dragons games, NFT sales, etc. So you must have to download this to get to know more, about their project. To get more details about their project, you can go through white paper. All right, so let's get back to their website. So, Game of Dragons is NFT cards dedicated to bringing the most unique gaming and collecting experience to its users. You can join their Telegram community to be part of their team, their investors, and to know more about their project. Then we have their Twitter account. You can follow them on Twitter as well. All right, so these are the collections which you can buy right from their website. Their collection have been listed on Binance as well. Then we have Game of Dragons token structure. Then we have Game of Dragons token structure like 1 million is tokens total supply from which 50% is burned, dev wallet is 2%, marketing is 2%, and buyback is 4%. So we have already checked the roadmap from their white paper. Then we have the link to buy token. You can buy this right from PancakeSwap. All you have to do is to copy the contract address which is given on their website and paste the address on PancakeSwap so you can buy these tokens. Then we have the addresses to their Dab wallet, marketing wallet, etc. Let's check out their collections. So these are the collections, the NFT collections. You can buy these collections, whatever you like, whatever collection, whatever NFT you like, you can buy this. All right. So this was our website for today. They have launched their game. They will be launching their game as well. Then they have NFT. You can buy NFT as well. I'll provide all the links in the description so you can check website by yourself. And if you like it, so you can go through it. I hope you like the video, you like the website. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.